After letting the woods rest after harvesting the first one, I decided to go back and try for the limit turkey. It ended up being a cool but sunny morning. Just before first light, the decoys were visited by a feeding raccoon. It was still very dark. As the sun rose, Tom gobbled on the roost and then stopped. A few soft calls was all I tried, nothing more. After a slow morning with no gobbling action, I kept teasing Tom too with soft calls. I kept hearing squirrels sounding uneasy, and he silently came up out of a draw in the field. The Mossberg 835 Oldtime Mag with Longbeard XR5 shot had found its target and the limit bird was harvested. After tagging, it was another short Honda 300 ATV ride home. Tom 2 ended up weighing the same as Bird 1, 22 pounds. It had a longer beard at 11 inches and had 1-inch spurs. And with that, the 2024 Tennessee spring turkey season was over. The Zone and the Zone Outdoors are powered by these awesome marketing partners.
Subscribe and comment below, guys.